So this is a really great question. How do we get the depleted uranium that's used to make munitions? Well, it starts by uranium enrichment. Once you've got the uranium into the chemical form of uranium hexafluoride, it can become a gas. And once it's a gas, either through differential diffusion or through a centrifuge, you're able to separate out the lighter fissile uranium-235 from the heavier non-fissile uranium-238. So the natural enrichment of uranium-235 that you'll get from any ore sample is only about 0.7%. And we need for commercial nuclear fuel anywhere from 3 to 5%, somewhere in that range. And so in order to get it up from the 0.7% up to say 5 or 6%, then you have to do this enrichment. So you're taking the uranium hexafluoride and you're concentrating the uranium-235 into that one fraction of the component. When you do that, you're getting a lot of uranium-238 out as the waste product, and that has depleted uranium-235. So the waste product from the enrichment is what's called depleted uranium, meaning that it's got a uranium-235 content that's somewhere around 0.2%. And so although the natural enrichment is 0.7%, the waste, the depleted uranium, has only about 0.2. And why that's significant is that, well, one, yeah, you've got uranium that's basically less radioactive than natural uranium, and it's really heavy. It's an extremely heavy metal, and so it can be used for munitions. But if we were to use it in a recycling campaign, say with a breeder reactor or even just traditional nuclear, that would substantially increase the uranium reserves that we have today. In other words, the waste, the stuff that's in principle just going to be thrown away, could be turned into electricity, where if we're doing full recycle and continually recycling this so that all of the actinides and minor actinides get used up, then all we have left are the fission products, which are dominated by strontium and cesium, which only have half-lives of around 30 years. So it decays quite quickly back into dirt. And so a geological repository would be far more than sufficient to keep it from the biosphere until it just becomes some different kind of dirt. And so that's where depleted uranium comes from. It's a waste product from the enrichment process. So great question. Thanks for asking it. Have a good day. Bye.